It goes to 7.5.
Okay guys, as you saw, it sounded freaking amazing. I was surprised. I mean, the guy that helped me was surprised. I mean, I took all my friends for a drive already and they love it. So I highly recommend it. And next week I'm doing a video between a $200 eBay exhaust and the Nvidia N1. Which one's worth better performance gains? I'm gonna do 0 to 60 times, 0 to 100 times. The sound clips, GoPro out exterior sound. So subscribe for that and hit the bell. I don't know how it works. I just started YouTube. I've gained 2 or 3 subscribers in the past week. So if you want to be that third one, it would mean the world to me. So like the video, share with your friends, leave a comment. What do you think? And peace out, guys.